To capture screenshot on Redmi A5, there are two ways to do this, and the first one, the classic one, is you have to press simultaneously the power button and the volume down button, and this will basically just take a screenshot, as you can see, just like this. Pretty simple, and this is the first way you can do this. And the second method that you can capture a screenshot is without using any buttons, and you can do this by going into the settings. From here we have to scroll all the way down and a little bit up and find the accessibility settings. Let's go in there. From here go for the accessibility menu, and here is the accessibility menu shortcut. Simply enable this one, press allow, got it, and from here you can take a screenshot by tapping on this shortcut right here, and on this side here is the button to capture a screenshot. And this is the second way that you can do this, and unfortunately I thought that there would be also the possibility to take a screenshot by going into this quick settings right here, but there is no button to actually take a screenshot, and as we take a look right here for these additional buttons, there is also no button to take a screenshot. You can actually just record the screen, but there is no way to capture the screenshot. So there are only two ways to capture the screenshot, which I just showed you, and this is how you can do this.